Hey guys! Today we have some new survival gadgets that you must have before heading towards outdoor. So let's begin. Procamptek Fire Strip Roll. Your first solution for quick fire starts in extreme survival scenarios. This strip roll is made of a thick, fibrous paper fully infused with wax. It is designed to be oxygen-free and specifically made to work with ferro rods and flint-based spark generators. This strip roll can even ignite with the spark from an empty lighter. Open flames from matches and lighters also work perfectly. The standout feature is its ability to light even if your lighter runs out of fluid. To use it, tear off a small piece from the inside of the roll, break up the wax coating with your fingers, and make rough tears to expose the paper fibers. Then, apply a flint spark or open flame to the fibers, and add more fire strip roll material or other tinder to build a larger flame as needed. This makes it a reliable and versatile tool for starting fires in various conditions. If you're reorganizing your survival kit, then make sure to keep the Zakous rope canister on the list, because it offers a cut-ready rope dispenser that makes accessing rope quick and effortless. Simply pull the desired length of heavy-duty rope, wrap it around the cut insert, and pull to cut, perfect for urgent situations. The canister is compact and weather-resistant, fitting easily into your backpack, cup holder, or gear, ensuring you always have rope on hand when you need it. With an impressive 1,100 pounds ultimate tensile strength, this rope is incredibly durable and reliable for tying secure knots. Ideal for camping, hiking, fishing, hunting, and other outdoor activities, the versatile Zakous utility rope can also be used around the house, garage, or cabin. The Hot Pocket is an essential tool for any survival situation, providing on-demand warmth with its multifunctional camp heater that weighs just a few ounces and recharges via solar power. Say goodbye to sleepless nights in a cold sleeping bag and old tricks like heating water bottles or using chemical packs. The Hot Pocket is the first ever heated stuff sack, designed to store, compress, and preheat your sleeping bag or quilts. When it's time to sleep, simply open the camp heater, slip it inside your sleeping bag, and experience instant warmth. This innovative wireless device ensures your insulation is warm and cozy, making it perfect for the wild, the soccer field, or the slopes. Lightweight and versatile, the Hot Pocket is great for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists alike, providing reliable warmth in any setting. And next up, we have something that every survivalist dreams of, the YOOATOM Origin 800. A next-level power system that is modular, shareable, and highly customizable. With swappable batteries and an expandable capacity from 460 to 720 watt-hour, it adapts to your exact energy needs. It delivers a powerful 800-watt AC output, which is perfect for running heavier-duty appliances and electronics in remote locations. Plus, its solar energy recharging capability ensures you remain powered up off-grid, while the seamless stackable modules allow for effortless energy transfer without extra cables. Enhanced with dual-layer protection and 6 robust safety measures, the Origin 800 ensures the reliability and safety of your power supply. Control it easily with the dedicated app or voice commands, making it a versatile and indispensable tool for any survival situation. Worried about finding safe drinking water in survival situations? Potable Aqua water purification tablets are essential for outdoor adventures, camping, hiking, or backpacking, ensuring questionable water becomes bacteriologically safe to drink. Lightweight and compact, these tablets are a critical addition to any emergency preparedness kit, providing reliable water purification when you need it most. Whether you're camping, canoeing, hunting, or engaging in other outdoor activities, it's crucial to have a dependable water supply. Potable Aqua tablets serve as an excellent primary purification method and an inexpensive, effective backup if your main purification system fails, be it due to dead batteries, a broken filter, or any other reason. Always have a secondary option to ensure continuous access to clean water, preventing any trip from being ruined by a lack of potable water. The PYYROS, an all-in-one survival tool and flashlight that remains all-time ready for survival in any situation. With its modular design and robust construction, this flashlight is more than just illumination. It's a versatile tool for extreme environments and everyday use. Featuring a 1,000-lumen bright LED light and a discrete red light for nighttime use, it ensures visibility when you need it most. Additionally, it functions as a fire starter and emergency power bank, capable of charging a cell phone up to 2 times. But what truly sets it apart is its dual-band personal beacon locator. compliant with international COSPA-SARSAT standards. In case of an emergency, this tool allows search and rescue teams to locate you anywhere on the planet, providing essential assistance when your life is in imminent danger. In survival situations, having reliable shelter is paramount, and the Trakker Tempest RS is the ultimate solution. As the fastest and easiest erect shelter on the market, it features the patented hinge block and rapid knuckle system for quick and effortless assembly. This one-person bivvy includes a built-in canopy to minimize water infiltration, which can be expanded with a skull cap for extra protection. Its flat-back design optimizes internal storage and aerodynamics, fitting snugly in tight spots. The 6 adaptive ventilation vents improve airflow and reduce condensation, keeping the shelter cooler even in summer. For added convenience, the tent has 4 internal mesh pockets and 2 magnetic straps for essential gear storage. Constructed from advanced GRP composite and Aquatex fabric, it offers superior water repellency and durability. The UA80 Evolution Vest by Sweetlick Survival Products is a breakthrough in personal flotation devices, bringing innovative safety to survival situations. As the first commercially available underarm constant wear life vest, it incorporates Sweetlick's revolutionary underarm flotation technology, providing superior buoyancy and comfort. Tested and approved by the US military and FAA, this vest ensures maximum reliability and effectiveness in critical moments. The vest's design allows for constant wear, making it an essential piece of equipment for emergency preparedness, whether you're on a boat, plane, or in any water-related scenario. With its advanced technology and robust certification, this vest significantly enhances your chances of survival, offering peace of mind and unparalleled protection in emergencies. The Max Toolkit 8-in-1 is an indispensable survival tool designed to meet the rigorous demands of any survival scenario. Featuring a long 34-inch composite polypropylene handle, it offers superior safety, comfort, and shock absorption, reducing fatigue and preventing injuries from flying debris. The toolkit includes a versatile array of attachments: shovel, pick, broad pick, mattock, rake, and axe, crafted from tempered 1060 high-carbon steel for unmatched durability and ruggedness. Whether clearing paths, filling holes, or digging out vehicles, this toolkit is built to perform. ANSI certified and proudly made in the USA, the Max Toolkit meets the highest industry standards and is standard equipment on Army light tactical vehicles and high multi-purpose wheeled vehicles. Shield yourself from the dangers of snake bites with the Bushbuck Kayahan Snake X Gaiter, a crucial survival tool for outdoor enthusiasts. Crafted from ultra-tough 600D poly-spun dual-bonded canvas, these gaiters offer exceptional durability and reliability, ensuring maximum protection for your ankles and legs during hunting, hiking, or outdoor work. Rigorous testing against various snake species demonstrates 100% resistance to fang penetration and snakebite force, providing peace of mind in snake-prone environments. While not claiming to be snake-proof, these gaiters have been tested and approved by professionals, offering an added layer of safety for your outdoor adventures. Whether you expect encounters with snakes or not, this pair of shoe is a high-performance, heavy-duty gear essential for survival in the wilderness. So that's all! Thanks for watching our video. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time!